Hello students, in today's class I am going to perform all these commands in MySql. So into the last class you learned about the DBMS command, database command in MySql. So these commands are used into the MySql for creating any database. So in today's class you will learn how you can perform all these operations into the MySql. So let's start the today class. So first you open your MySql, simple type the MySql, and when you get and click on it. So this is the MySql command prompt. Here you enter the password of your MySql which you have write when MySql you installed. So I did not insert any commands into it, so that's why I directly enter and my SQL command prompt has been opened. So here you can see this is the MySql command prompt and this is the cursor, and here you can type any commands. So first you will learn how you can see the database. So I already discussed about it. The show database command, you know that the show database command is used to execute how many database already exist in your database system. So if you want to see the database which are already exist in your system, so simple, you just type show databases and terminate it with help of semicolon and just press enter. So this is the list of database. You can see here there is a different database are already exist. These are the informatic schemes, Atul book, my MVM1, MySQL stores, test. So these all are the database list. You can open any database which you want. So you know that how you can open any database. So with help of the use command, which command? Use. And then type your desired database name. So if I want to open the database, that name is store. So I will simple type use store and terminate it with semicolon and just press enter key. So you can see here it will execute database change, means the store database has been opened and you can work on it. So you actually inside of store database. Okay, so this is the way of executing the list of existing database with help of the show database command. And next command is to how you can open your database. So with help of the use store command you can open any database. So these two command is very helpful to see the all database which are exist in your system and open any database. Now we will see how you can create a database, because if you want to create any table in your database system, so you have to first create the database. So how you can create the database? So for example, if I want to create any database with name of school, what my database I want to create with name school. So how you can create that database? So let's start to create a database. So here I am creating a database with name school. So for that you have to type the create command. Which command? Create. And what I want to create? I want to create the database. So here I am typing database. Clear? Create database and the name, database name. The database name I want to use school. So here I type the school. So any user defined name you can write here. So actually I want to create the school database. So that's why I write here school. Okay. And just enter. So you can see query OK means my command is correct and my database school has been created. Now you want to see it has been created or not, so you can list the database. So just type the show databases, clear, and press enter. So you can see here the school database has been created, clear. And now I want to open it. I want to work on the school database. So for that you have to write the command use. Which command? Use command. So type here use and what? The database name. My database is school. So that's why I write here school. That database I want to open. Clear? So type here use and then school. Now press semicolon and press enter. So this database has been created and you already opened it. Clear? So now you able to create table into that database. So for table creation, you have a create command as it is like database. In database, you are using create command, and for table purpose, you have to also use create command. So there is a create command which is used to create table, and which table you want to create, any table you can create, we already learned here. For table creation you have to use the create table, like this table I want to create. The table is create table student and this is the labels and this is the fields of my table, and with data type you have to execute the command and then your table will be created. So we will use this command into the MySql for creating table.